Okay, we're going to be replacing a battery on a 2013 MacBook Air, which is a little dirty, as usual. So we'll also clean it up a little bit while we're in there. So first we have 10 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That will remove the back cover. Oops. Oh, it needs to get away from us here. Okay, once you get the 10 screws off the back cover out, you'll just pry from the back here and it should just come off pretty easily. You might have to give it a little force depending on the MacBook. First thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the battery. So this is the battery connector here. You can take a pry tool if you want plastic, because you don't want to touch anything here with the metal. There's still power running through this. So once you do that, I just use my nail, get under there, pry it right out. It's pretty easy. Then we have 5 screws for the battery. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is a T5. The back cover screws are pentalobe 1.2. So we'll remove these. And you'll want to note the order that they're in. It's not really an order, but there is a longer. The 3 top ones are long. The middle one is the longest, and then you have 2 short ones on the bottom, which are pretty short and pretty noticeable. Much smaller. Battery just pulls right out once you get those screws out. You can pull it by the connector and that's fine too. Comes right out. You get the replacement. Slide it in there, make sure it's in the right spot, and it just lays in there. Not really much to do. Don't connect the battery until we are done working back here. We don't want to short anything out while there's power in there. The longest screw goes in the middle here, and then you go to the second longest for the 2 sides on top, and then the 2 shortest will go on the bottom here and here. And that's it. And we'll connect the battery in now. And that just make sure you got the pins quite aligned a little bit, and you just push down. Once you got that in there, that's it. Just put the back cover on. We're going to blow this out real quick, get all the dust out of there and out of here, and then we'll put the cover back on. And on the screws, there's 2 longer ones that go on the top, and all the rest are the same size. Which is the shorter size. There it is. A little dirty still. We'll handle that before we send it out. I'm sure you'll see this. There we go.